So hey everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with RD. So today we are going to discuss about the very prestigious student developer program ever started by Google, that is Google Developer Student Club. So what I'm going to tell you about in this video are like what actually is Google Developer Student Club and what does leads it, and second, what does actually leads do, third, benefits of being a lead, fourth, how to apply and in an efficient manner, right? Fifth, the must known thing, the criteria for it. It's an unskippable part. The criteria is very important, you should aware of it. And the last, the date format, the time format. So let's start from the very first one, that is what actually is Google Student Developer Club. So Google Developer Student Clubs are university based community groups for student interest in Google developer technologies. So students from all undergraduates or graduates program with an interest in growing as a developer are welcomed here. So by joining the GDSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. So therefore, Google Developer Student Club leads are passionate leaders at their university who are dedicated to helping their peer learn and connect. So these leads may be pursuing various undergraduates or graduates degree, but having a good foundation knowledge for student development, software development concept, right? So the main goal for it is that Google connect with these leads and support them as they start and grow their on-campus community. So second, what does actually leads do? So basically they start a club. So basically what they do, they start a club at their university, they host workshops. So in a workshop here they grow student knowledge on development products, right? Third, they build projects, they identify local partner to work with it. If we move on to the next part, the benefits of being a lead. So the main benefits of being a lead are like the professional growth, for enhancing the professional growth, for enhancing the network growth, and for enhancing the community learning. So if I tell you about a fun fact, so 90% of our DSA leads from 2018 to 19 got a job, a very prestigious jobs or internships. Okay, so now we are moving to our main part, that how to apply for it. So let's move. So that's their official website with a name called developers.google.com. You can check it out. I will, if it is possible, I will provide the link in the description. So you can read this as a whole. And what you need to do, you just need to click this apply button. So this will redirect to their official website called dsc.advoku.com. And what you need to do, you must have a Gmail account. With that, you just need to sign in if you are doing it for the very first time. Okay, so here there another pages application form open. So this is something you just need to fill your name, first name, last name, date of birth, your self identity, and just click on this next button. So after that, you get this chapter name details. So country where your institute is located, so obviously I'm dealing with India, so it's India. And institute name. Okay, so if your institute is not yet listed in a GDSC, so you are willing, if you are just starting it for the very first time, you need to add a new chapter, and that's a very crucial point for you. So I'm just adding it. Just choose your institute type, whether it's a university or college. In my case it's college, and I just need to add this college name. So NG. Okay, so here it is, my college name, my college website. Okay, oh okay, I'm looking for it. Okay, I will copy this and just paste it here. Okay, simply just add this campus location. So it's Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, and just if you just need to add something, you can do that. Just click on this next button. Okay, so here is their social media links, so you can choose and add here. So I'm not doing anything yet now. Okay, so this one is a very most important thing here as a community questions. So basically this thing will represent you, like why you just want to join GDSC. And the most important thing, you need to be very much aware about this page. Okay, so what is your motivation to run a Google Developer Student Club in a college? Just write a very efficient answer which you can like attract the attract the Google, right? So I'm not adding anything right now, so just adding it experience. So now I'm not doing anything, mention any technology. And yeah, the again the most important thing, record a 90-second video and show us why you are the right person to be a GDSC. This will represent you definitely, guys. It's a very most important thing, you need to be very much aware about it. So I'm just adding anything okay, I have just randomly, let me choose any YouTube video and add the link. So let me refer to my YouTube channel, talk with RD, for doing the task. So okay, so I'm just clicking this video, so you can read it and just add it here, right? Okay, so you just need to remove this part. Okay, what is happening? So it's showing a error here because I don't have any 90-second long video. And you just need to aware of this thing, like your video does not have to be public, but unfortunately all the videos of mine is public. I don't have any private videos or something like that. So you can make this and just paste the link here. After that this will work. And in the last step there is some questions, common questions, so you can choose it and just click on the apply button, and your form will be submitted and it will be moved to the Google. And the developers will review your form, and if they found your form to be suitable, definitely they will mail you. And I hope you got the mail, and I hope you will get the mail, and you will get success in it. So that was how to apply. Now if I show you the date formats, so let's move on to that last part. So we are at the end of our video, and here I just need to tell you about the two most important thing, that is criteria and date formats. So the must know and understand criterias are: you have a minimum of 2 year left until graduation. Next one is you should be enrolled in any undergraduate or graduate degree at your institute. And third, the most important thing, you must need to commit for a program for nearly 1 year. So our next part is the date and time format. So application has started from 1 April 2021 and it will end at 20 April 2021. So it's a yearly thing. So it will start every year in April and will not open for a year. So just be concise with the date, just apply it before 20, so it will be more suitable for it. For you. Okay, so currently this is our end of the video. If you enjoy the video, so please do like, share and subscribe Talk with RD, and get notified for such most prestigious student development program and other informative video. So thank you, bye bye.